Hi viewers, welcome to Homestyle Cooking with me, Priya. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make prawn biryani. It's a very delicious dish. Without any further delay, let's get cooking. So firstly, take the pot which you're going to be making the biryani in and add about 2 spoons of oil. So the pot's not on the stove yet. I'm just going to be marinating the prawns. Now to this, I'm going to be adding the prawns. Now I'm adding chopped ginger and garlic and chilies. Now I'm adding chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander powder. So I'm adding 2 spoons of biryani masala, which I bought from the store. You can use any brand of your choice. Now I'm adding fennel seed powder. So I've taken dry shrimps, which are these small little shrimps. I'm just going to wash it and I'm going to add it into this as well. So I've made a puree of 1 tomato. I'm just going to be adding this into this as well. Now I'm adding half a lime to this. Next I'm adding half a cup of coconut milk. Lastly, I'm just going to be adding some salt. I'm just going to mix all this together. Now I'm just going to cover this for 20 minutes for the prawns to get marinated in the masala. So the prawns have been marinating in the masala for 20 minutes. Now I'm just going to turn on the stove. And I'm going to be cooking this on medium flame for about 20 minutes. So just close the lid while this cooks. So now while the prawns are getting cooked, I'm just going to half cook the rice. I've soaked the rice in water for about 20 minutes. I've taken basmati extra long grain rice today. So I'm just adding the rice into this. So I've taken 2 glasses of rice. For that, I've added 5 glasses of water. We're going to be draining off the excess water anyway. So now to this, I'm going to be adding the garam masalas. Now I'm just adding some salt. I'm going to cook this rice until it's 75% done. Now after 20 minutes, I'm just going to check on my prawns. Oh, it smells really good. So as you can see, it's become a thick gravy. That's what we need to aim for. Just going to check on my rice. It's been cooking for about 15 minutes. It still needs to be cooking for another 10 minutes. I'm just going to close the lid again. Now after 10 minutes, the rice should be cooked enough to be drained. Yep, perfect. And I'm just going to drain this. Now to the prawns gravy, I'm just going to be adding the drained rice. Now I'm just going to level the rice. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of ghee. Just spread the ghee on top. So earlier I soaked some saffron in some warm milk. I'm just going to be adding this to the rice as well. Now I'm adding chopped mint and coriander leaves. Lastly, I'm adding fried onions. Now I'm just going to be closing the lid. And I'm just going to let this cook on low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, I'm just taking the lid off. And the biryani looks cooked. It's ready to be plated up. Yummy, says my tummy. I just can't wait to try this with my family. I hope you've liked the recipe as well. Please do try it and I'm sure you will like it. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. And if you've liked the recipe, please give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time with a new exciting video. Until then, this is Priya Jatin signing off.